The satisfying taste of cashew makes people want to eat them non-stop. And though there aren't many direct harms of eating it every now and then, it can cause some damage if we constantly eat it without setting a limit. Extremely tasty as snacks and great for toppings on sausage or butter, the cashew or kaju are loved by everyone all around the world. These kidney-shaped seeds come from the cashew tree. These tropical trees were originally founded in Brazil. However, now they are cultivated everywhere in the world where warm climates are available. Do you know that eating cashews every day can shoot up your blood pressure and can increase your weight too? Let's dive deep into this topic and find out what happens to your body if you eat cashews every day. Firstly, let's start with the benefits of cashews. Eating cashews prevents stroke. Cashews are rich in magnesium, and eating them daily in a limited amount can prevent you from having a stroke. Magnesium basically strengthens the vessels, which prevents the spilling of blood into the brain, which, if happens, can cause hemorrhagic strokes. That's why if we eat some cashews every day, we can protect ourselves from this certain type of stroke. Cashews are rich in nutritional. Kaju or cashews are some of the most significant and accessible sources of healthy fats. Healthy fats or unsaturated fats, which are monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, come with very low risks of diseases. These kidney-shaped seeds called cashew are extremely rich in proteins, which we all know are essential for all of us, and that's why cashews are often mentioned in the diets of athletes and vegetarians. Along with healthy fats, they are also enriched with phosphorus, manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin K, and zinc, making these little seeds tiny powerhouses. Cashews improves your heartbeat. Studies have shown that since cashews are rich in proteins and vitamins, they are very beneficial in improving your heartbeats, along with other heart-related benefits. A study proves that people with type 2 diabetes can have a low LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, sometimes called bad cholesterol, to HDL, high-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, sometimes called good cholesterol ratio. By taking just a few cashews every day, i.e., controlled cholesterol. A low LDL to HDL ratio is basically a medical term referring to a good health condition. So how many cashews can you eat every day? Well, how much you should eat depends on your lifestyle and why you are eating them in the first place. If you're a normal healthy person who just enjoys their taste, then eating around 30 to 35 nuts in 24 hours should be enough for you, as going above this range can cause you some harm. However, if you're an athlete, you may need to consult a nutritionist that can guide you properly according to your diet and lifestyle. What happens when a person exceeds the normal limit? Number 1. Weight gain. As we've discussed earlier, cashews are rich in calories and fats. So if you eat them non-stop day and night without any limit, you can gain some weight, especially if your metabolic system is not very fast. And if you're an athlete, that's the last thing you want. Number 2. Headaches. It may sound a bit weird, but cashews can give you a headache. If you've already tried eating a lot of cashew nuts and don't feel any pain in your head, then you're among the lucky ones who don't get affected by it. However, it is quite commonly known that eating too many nuts, not only cashews but also almonds, can trigger headaches. The reason behind this is pretty simple, it's just the way they are formed. They have amino acids that are known to be slightly harmful to hypersensitive people. Number 3. Bloating. Eating anything way too much non-stop, including cashews, makes it difficult for the digestive system to work correctly. Eating too many cashews can delay the stomach emptiness, which as a result, can cause gastrointestinal side effects, i.e., bloating. So be smart about it, save some cashews for tomorrow. Would you like more information on this topic? Click the link in the description to get the free comprehensive guide on this topic. In conclusion, you can easily add cashews to your diet and gain tons of benefits. But eating too much without knowing its advantages and disadvantages is not a smart move. Do you like cashews? Share your views with us in the comments. If you found the video interesting, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more interesting content. Thanks for watching.